Hi friends, this is Jason, the Science Outreach Manager and Life Science Educator here at the Children's Museum Houston. I am in Kidtropolis right now inside the Reliant Office of Electricity to read you a really cool book called Why Should I Save Energy? Written by Jen Green and illustrated by Mike Gordon. And this is being brought to you by Reliant and with permission from Barron's. Let's go ahead and read this book. In my family, we're careful about how we use energy. And there's the family right over here. We never used to be careful. We wasted lots of energy. We used the car all the time. We always left the lights on. The house with all the lights on there. We turned the heat on full blast. There's a little thermometer, probably has the heat on high, and the cat looks very uncomfortable. And we all took hot baths with the water nearly up to the top. That looks pretty comfortable and happy. So she's like, look at that. One evening, my friend Robert was playing at our house. And there they are playing ball with the music going, the cat's over there dancing. Suddenly, there was a power outage. Oh no, they say, it got all dark. The cat looks scared. I thought electricity was always right there whenever we needed it. You just switch it on. Well, candles are always there when you need them though, if you have them at your house, which you should get some. And over here she's very frustrated, and the cat is too, because they want their radio on. That cat was dancing after all. Robert said that we must save energy. Why should I save energy? Robert knew about energy because he had learned about it at school. Energy is precious. And here they all explaining everything. They had to put their sweaters and scarves on because it got cold in their house. Electricity is energy made by burning fuel. That's coal, oil, and gas, said Robert. And you can see there's burning fuel, turning into steam, turning things, and creating electricity. Cars, trains, and buses also run on fuel. So they're outside now, the cat's with them, and they're there looking at all the cars and buses going by, being fueled by gasoline. Our teacher says the world's fuel supplies won't last forever. If we're not careful, they will run out, said Robert. And here's some scientists and engineers going, uh-oh, this is running out of oil. Then he asked, what do you think would happen if our homes ran out of energy? That's a good question. There would be no power for cooking or heating. We'd get cold and all our food would be cold too. So they're making food over candlelight here. The cat is very, very cold. The mouses seem happy. They seem fine with everything, but they have all their warm clothes on. And what do you think would happen if energy ran out of school? No computers today, kids. And we all know how important our computers are, especially right now. Sandwiches again. There's the lunch lady. She doesn't do anything but make sandwiches. And they're all, oh no. And what do you think would happen if the whole town ran out of energy? Robert looks very concerned. The cat is cooking its food for some reason over fire over here. Buses and trains wouldn't run, so people couldn't get around. And nothing would reach the stores. You see this empty store here? And this lady about to tackle this guy because she wants what he wants? So how can we save energy? I know, just stay in bed. Well, that's not the way of doing it. There are many ways to save energy, said Robert. Turn off lights when you don't need them. Oops, hey. Well, he needs them right there because he's reading, but she has the right idea. If you're not reading, doing anything, you don't need your lights on, especially if you're not in the room. Close windows and doors when the heat is on. Yes, the cat's even getting in there to close the window. And try putting a sweater on if you feel cold rather than the heat. That's something I say all the time. If you're cold, go throw a jacket on. Don't have to turn the heat up. Going to school by bus or train use less fuel than going by car. Why? Because more people can get inside. And they have a really good idea right here. You could ride your bike or walk, said Robert. riding your bike and walking, get some energy. You actually, do some energy of your own. You could share a ride, which is like what we're doing right here, sharing a ride. Even with the snowman, the showman is coming in for a ride as well. Oh, look at the cat up there, snowboarding down the roof. That's kind of funny. Robert was right. Saving energy is easy. And you might find yourself doing new things like riding a bike, walking around, climbing a tree, having a fun day. Saving energy saves money too. So you can have extra treats now and then. And you can see right there, the cat has a little fish in its mouth, so it's got a treat. And over here, she's got 2 ice cream cones, so she's giving Robert a treat because Robert knew how to save energy. And now you do too. So that was a great little book. If you're watching this on YouTube, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get notifications of all our fun videos, our science videos, our Mr. O's Oh Wow moments, our other story times, and our Tot Tunes Tater Tots songs. If you want, read a book. You can read this book, or you can read another book to your parents. Take a picture of you doing that, and then take that picture and post it on our social media sites. We have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have Facebook. With that, I'm going to say farewell for now. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you soon. See y'all later.